Introducing the 2026 Ford F-150 XLT 4x4 SuperCrew, a truck that combines legendary capability with modern refinement. This model is finished in a striking carbonized gray metallic and is powered by the 3.5-liter V6 EcoBoost engine, paired with an electronic 10-speed automatic transmission. This configuration provides the strength required for heavy-duty tasks and the smoothness needed for everyday driving. Featuring the 302A equipment group and the XLT Chrome Appearance Package, this F-150 makes a bold statement with 20-inch chrome-like PVD wheels and angular anodized running boards. Book a test drive today at MSA Ford in the Fraser Valley Auto Mall, right here in Abbotsford. Whether you are commuting across the Mission Bridge or exploring the backroads of the valley, this truck is prepared for the journey. The exterior is equipped with high-performance LED reflector headlamps and LED fog lamps for superior visibility, while the fully boxed steel frame provides a solid foundation for any challenge. To protect your investment, this F-150 includes front and rear molded splash guards and a durable spray-in bedliner. Inside, the medium dark slate cloth interior offers a comfortable retreat with front power heated seats and dual-zone electronic automatic climate control. The cabin is a hub of technology, featuring a 12-inch center display and a 12-inch cluster display, all integrated with Sync 4 and a 5G modem for seamless connectivity through the Ford app. Capability is enhanced by the tow haul package, which includes a trailer brake controller for added control. Safety is paramount, with standard features like adaptive cruise control, the lane keeping system, and BLIS with cross-traffic alert. The 360-degree camera system and front and rear parking sensors provide a comprehensive view of your surroundings, ensuring confidence in every maneuver. A common question buyers ask is how this vehicle helps manage the complexities of towing. The answer lies in the integrated Pro Trailer Backup Assist and Pro Trailer Hitch Assist. These intelligent systems use advanced sensors and camera views to help you align your hitch perfectly and steer your trailer with precision while reversing, making even the most difficult towing jobs feel straightforward. This F-150 also features a 3.55 electronic locking axle and a 7,100-pound GVWR package to ensure you have the mechanical support needed for your heaviest gear. MSA Ford, serving the Fraser Valley for 75 years.